So where can you get copyright free music for YouTube and your videos? In today's video, I'll be showing you one proven site to get your music, and that's the YouTube audio library. I'm not saying you can't get copyright free music from other sites. The problem comes in when you download a copyright free song from a given site, then you receive a copyright claim after you have uploaded your video. No one wants to go through the process of contacting that given site to remove the copyright claim. So to be on the safe side, just use the YouTube audio library. When you speak of YouTube audio library, many a times you suppose that everyone can locate it. Let me show you how to locate it, how to download the music, and later on show you how to blend the music in your videos. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua from Grams of Glory Fusion. Consider subscribing if that sounds interesting to you. So this is my YouTube page. I go straight to my icon right there on the right. As you see, I go to YouTube Studio, click that. So this is the YouTube Studio. If you don't have a YouTube channel, this could be hard to get, but if you have a YouTube channel, this is what you see. So now I go straight to my audio library, scroll right here. That is the audio library. I click that. So these are the songs I have. As you see, free music and sound effects right there. So now these are the genres. As you see, there is hip hop, R&B, reggae, holiday, then there is cinematic. There are many of them. That's the genre. So now if I close that and go to mood, as you see, there are many moods here: angry, calm, dark, all those kinds of moods. Then instrumentals. So now if I choose my genre here, probably I choose like hip hop. Choose hip hop. Then the mood, go to mood and choose any mood. Let me choose happy. So now I give it a play on this first one. As you hear, this beat is also good. Actually, there are cool songs on YouTube audio library too, although some tend to disagree. So this is the download button here. You download. So that's what you do for any song you want to do. You just go to that, click it, and download the music. So this is my other part of the video where I'm going to be showing you how to blend in your music in your videos. I'm using a free software, VSDC video editor. So now I go straight to my music icon, then I double click my audio file. I just click OK, and the file is already imported there. If I give it a play, go straight to my transitions. I click my video, I go to video effects. So that's what I'm going to be working with in this video. Let me go in and import in my music. So let me look for my free music. It's right here. Double click it, then I select the music file of my choice. Let me take digital memories. I think digital memories will do. Double click it, and it's already imported. I just click OK, and it's already there. So I just align it there. So if I give this a play, to go straight to my transitions, I click my video. As you see, the background music is too loud, so now I'm going to just click my audio file, as you see there, and I'm going to reduce the volume to probably -10. So if I give it another play, I go to video effects, click that, go to transitions. So we begin with the chest transition to scene end. Okay, yeah, so that's it. You can reduce it more If you feel it is too loud still, you can reduce it, like probably 15 if I give it a play. So I'm going to be showing you all those 7 transitions. As you see now, it's slow. My timer right there shows that's what we want for this video. You can reduce it more in case transition begins from. So I hold this video and drop it there where my timer is. So if the volume is good, you can see that chest transition right there. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and consider hitting that subscribe button.